Matt, you just had a hearing in Hendricks County. And so I understand it was a little bit different than normal. Give us the rundown.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. So we had a guilty plea sentencing hearing this morning on a client facing two different charges, and because of everything that's going on right now, the judge and court staff had to coordinate everything. We did everything by phone, which is definitely unusual for me. I'm used to being in a courtroom sitting next to a prosecutor, and here we are on a giant conference call. So it's pretty crazy. Definitely a new experience. But all in all, it worked out great.
Dude, that is awesome. And so how different was it doing a telephonic guilty plea than actually going to court and doing it?
Very different. It definitely took a lot of coordinating. Court staff throughout this entire process was amazing. I give it up to them. Judge, fantastic. Prosecutor, again, definitely adversarial, but that's their job. So it definitely took a lot of coordinating, making sure that the client was ready. The client was by the phone. That was my biggest concern all day long is, what happens if my phone doesn't ring? What happens if the client's phone doesn't ring? Or if it goes to voicemail, if I step out, get a cup of coffee? It's a long night just thinking about a bunch of crazy nonsense what ifs. But in the grand scheme of things, it worked out absolutely fantastic. It was perfect. Everything was pretty much done by phone, and then all the forms and everything filled out by email afterwards.
Absolutely fantastic. And though, without getting into details, did the sentencing go good or bad?
Let's just say our client's definitely very, very happy. He's definitely happy with the result. It was really a great hearing all around. I've already spoken, post hearing with the family, client and the rest of his family, kind of recapping exactly what the hearing. So great result for a great client, and I hope he takes advantage of it.
That's fantastic. Excellent work, Matt. And so your experience, even though the courts are during the shutdown, they're slower, they're maybe not having as many hearings or people are coming, are the courts still open?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. And each county is a little bit different. So, Hendricks County this morning, like I said, 100% by phone. Everybody kind of participated in a giant conference call. We had to have passcodes and coordinate with court staff and all that. Others are doing video, still video court. Some are doing in-person hearings. Those counties are becoming, farther and few between that do in-person hearings. I know there are a couple counties still doing that, but courts are still working, prosecutors still working, and obviously here at the Marc Lopez Law Firm, we never stop working.